Hello everyone, hope you all are doing good. And while covering the anagram video, I have asked you a question regarding what is the difference between dot equals and equal to equal to. Okay, so instead of like this is an anagram program, and if you haven't watched this video, just click on this I button and you can see the explanation of this program. And while explaining this, I encountered a very beautiful concept. So if we write, let's say, if C1 is equal to C2. Okay, why can't we write this? So that was the question, and let us try to understand how we are going to compare these strings. Okay, so before starting this part, we have to just give me a moment. I think it is working. Yeah. So before starting this, we have to first see that how strings are stored in the memory, and yeah, let me select my draw tool. Okay, so what happens when you write, let's say, string str is equal to Shailesh. Okay, what will happen? How will the memory allocation will happen? So as we all know that whatever is the right side of the equal to, this is our object. Okay, and this is our reference variable, and this is the type. Got it? Easy stuff. So let us understand that where this object will be stored. So this object will be stored in the heap memory. So we have a heap memory. So Shailesh will be stored over here, and in our stack, this is our str. So it will be stored in stack. And right now, this str is pointing towards this memory. Okay, and this is Shailesh. Now what happens if I write second statement that string str1, or let's say, yeah, str1 will work fine. This is also Shailesh. So this is our string one. So what will happen that this will also like point towards this. Got it? Then why it is happening? This is happening because all the objects like string of string type are stored in string pool. So there is a special memory in heap. This is called string pool. And why we have like a separate why VIP culture over here? It's because Java wants to save the memory. So like if the string pool wouldn't have been here, so Shailesh would have been came over here, and we have as many Shailesh as we want. Got it? So right now this is happening. Like both these reference variables are pointing to the same object in the memory, in the heap memory. You got it? So what now let us understand that how double equal to works. So it compares the reference. So in this case, this will return as true. Okay, and afterwards we will see it through program also that how we can like verify that whatever I'm saying. Okay, now let us open the program and like write down. Okay, so let us make a new class. Mm, comparison. Okay, here let's create our main method and string Shailesh, and let's write down the second string, and this is also the same, like pointing to the same object. Okay, and now if we write down if str equal to str1. Okay, then s out, this is true. Okay, else this is false. So let us verify. Ideally, it should return true because like as we have covered here that both these reference variables are pointing to the same object in the memory. Okay, this is true. So like this is returning as true. Now the problem, like not the problem, but you can have a use case in which you want to explicitly tell that, okay, I don't want to reference the same object. I want to create my new object. So what we have to do to create a new object, for that we have a new keyword. Okay. So if I write now, let's do the same logic over here. And if I write if str is equal to s, then what will happen? Cannot resolve symbol s. Let's first print the object s. Mm, this is printing shellish. Okay. Now if we want to compare if str equal to s. Okay. Like the same thing. Return as true. Otherwise, we can comment it out. So what will happen in this case? Like what is actually happening that they have like this is s, and right now this is pointing to a shellfish which is not in the string pool. Okay, so it should return as false. See, this is like right now printing, and after it is returning false. Then what will happen? Like if we want to compare the like what is inside the value. Okay, so if we want to do comparison by value, so for that comparison by value. So for that we have a method equals. So if we do if string dot equal s, okay, the same logic. Okay, now let us run it. See, this is returning as true. Uh, this is true from equals method. This is false from equal method. See, so I hope like if we have to cover the actual content of the string, so for that we use equals, and if we want to like compare on the basis of reference variable, so for that we use like this is a comparator and this is a method in itself. So this is the basic difference between each one of them, and that is why in the anagram we have like used equals, because we don't know that whether they are pointing to the same object in the memory or not. Okay, so that's it guys. If you have any, if you still have an issue, just comment down and I'll be very happy to help you out. So thank you.